Hello YouTube, once again it's your tech guide. My name is Chan and welcome to my channel.
Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag. Horse stock is attached.
Alright, what do we have right now? It's the Cignus CG 828 UV, a crossband repeating radio. Alright, from Cignus. Okay, so this video I'm not going to talk so much with this this video. And what I'm going to do is I'll just open the box. So partly this will be the unboxing of the Cignus CG 828 UV. Alright, let's check. Okay, open the box. Okay, we have here Cignus user's manual. Alright, user manual. What's this? Maybe hook, or I don't know what's this. Anyway, and then this one is the radio itself. Okay, let's open. Okay, dude, can you take me video there? Can you help me? Alright, just like that, shoot what I'm doing. Okay, thank you very much, like this. Okay. Alright, I have there my assistant. It's my young kid, baby Jaden. Alright, so here is the radio itself. It's the Cignus CG 828. Dual band FM transceiver from Cignus once again. Okay, it's very nice. Oh, full metal. Very nice, very good heat sink. Display, quite good, very nice. Okay. Oh, we have here stickers from Cignus. Alright. Okay. It's cool, right? What can you say, Jaden?
Good.
Good? Is it good? What can you say about the radio? How about
Good
this?
too.
Good too? Alright. So this is the, of course, the mounting bracket for the base radio. Alright, let's put it here. What else? What's this? It's the line, power line. Okay, plus, minus, of course, because it's 12 volts. Okay, that's it. And then the microphone. Okay, the microphone. Let's check whether the microphone is durable. Okay, wow, it's cool. Cable is quite very tough. PTT, smooth and soft. Okay, good. RG45 or Cat5, and what else? Mounting brackets for the microphone holder. Okay, when you hold the microphone, alright, so when you hold the microphone, you hook it from there. Maybe you put it in the car. Alright, so that's it. Partly, more or less, that's what is inside the box of the Cignus CG 828 Mini. Okay, if you find it this video is what's interesting for you, just make sure to hit subscribe down there and give it a like. Okay, once again, this is your tech guide. My name is Chan, saying practice and make sure you do it yourself. Bye for now, YouTube.
Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag.